Okay, so I actually have the problem solved, and this is what's going on. If you look at this, it's saying power supply circuit assembly, and what this thing is doing is taking the input voltages and breaking it down into lower voltages and regulating them. And the way that does this is the inputs, the goes in's on this side and the goes out is on this side, right? The goes in's here, 2, 3, and 1, all right? This 4 with the E means ground. I don't know why. Number 2 here is plus about 78 volts. It's almost 80 volts. Number 3 is negative 83 volts. I forgot what number 1 was. Oh, 24 volts. Well, there you go. So this section here on the top, you can isolate these. There's the ground. This section up here on top is all for the positive voltages. So if you come over here and look, 60 volts, 30 volts, 25 volts, and all of these tested okay. So we can pretty much say that everything above this line here has got to be good, right? And if we go down just real quick at the bottom, there's only 2 voltages that are coming out of this section here, and this is the 13 volts and 5.4 volts. Both of those tested fine. So we know that from this point down, it's good. So that just leaves this part here in the middle, okay? We know this 60 volts here is wrong. We're only getting like 20 something volts. The 30 volts is wrong. We're only getting 10 or some such thing. And the 25 and the 13 are both wrong. So it has to be something in this area here. Now, the most likely culprits in this particular situation is one of the transistors, okay? Because they have a habit of going after a while. Especially like 40 years. So, and also the diode, this Schottky diode here is also a good possibility. But we start off by testing the transistors, right? And unfortunately, it's hard to test these in the circuit. So I pulled out hold on a second. Okay, so the first one I removed was Q8, strictly because it was the easiest to get at. And over here, Q8 is right there. Okay, it's right by the edge of the board. It was really easy to get out, so I go ahead and pull that out. Took it out of the circuit, and I hooked it up into this guy here. And if we hook this up, come on you. Get on there. Okay. Let's see if you can see this. We hook this up and test it. And you see, it's good. PNP, silicon, BJT. You go through the individual parameters. A lot of this won't mean much. The one important thing that we're looking at here is that one. I see leak, and there's no leakage, so this transistor is good. So once we figured that out, the next easiest one to pull out, move that over here, was Q6. Here's Q6. And we're going, all right, let's see if we get that a little bit better focus. There we go. Test this one. There you go. Red and green leads are shorted. That's it. Q6 is our culprit. So, I actually have those on order. And if this ice storm doesn't cause us too many problems, we should get them in tomorrow or the day after. And I'll be able to plop it in and see what we see. In the meantime, I'm just going to do a quick check on Q5 and Q7 just to make sure they didn't go down when Q6 shorted. I'm not going to pull them out of the circuit. I'm just going to use the multimeter to check them out real quick, and we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. Alright, finally the replacement transistor showed up, and I was able to change them out. So this is the first test since I put in the new transistors. Now I got to take the plug and plug this thing in. And let's hope we don't get the magic smoke. Because we all know that this thing runs on smoke. And if the smoke gets out, then we're in trouble. You know how much smoke is cost to refill. Alrighty, so go ahead and hit the power and see if we explode. Where's my glasses? There we are. Okay. No smoke. Okay, don't smell anything. It's a good sign. So let's take some quick voltage readings here. Of course, the capacitors first. 60 volts, good. Exactly what we want. Minus 60 volt, perfect. All right, so that's a good sign. It was actually above 60 volts last time. Now, we can check pin 16, and we should have 60 volts here. 62.5. That should be okay. 16, 30, whoops, 15. We should give us 30 volts. Now this is the good side. This was good before. So I'm expecting it to be good now. 31.2, 13, 25.4, good. And now, the other side. Pin 8 should be minus 60 volts. And it's this guy. Get in there. There it is. Minus 60.24. It looks like the transistor is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Pin 9 should be minus 30. Minus 30. Perfect. Pin 11 should be minus 25. Pin 11? Oh, 10 and 11 are the same. Should be minus 25. Oh, God, don't do that. 24.9, that's about as close to 25 as I'm going to get. And just to make sure, pin 19 should be 5.4. 5. 5.1. 5.15. It's a little bit low. Let's see. I don't know if that's going to hurt anything. We'll see. Pin 5 should be 13 volts. Pin 5, 13. Don't give me no crap now. 13. There we go. All right. The voltages are correct. So, obviously that doesn't mean the rest of it's correct, but at least we got that far. All the lights are lit. We have some more things to check and more things to change. Let me adjust the camera. Okay, these here are also part of the power supply. I'm going to change these out as a matter of course, okay? Even though they must be good since we're getting good power over here. But I should check this one just in case. Oh, I've got that page handy. AWR. But in any event, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go look for this page and check it out. Oh, there it is. AWR 104. With all the fuses on it. Oh, how about that? All right. So this one here. So pin 3. Let's see. You won't be able to see the meter unless I. Let me go ahead and put it down to the meter. So and then you can see pin 3 should be 62 volts. I'm going to do this without killing myself. Let's just make sure it's 60.6. Not too bad. Let me change the caps out, that might help. Pin 5 should be minus 62. Oh, 62 minus 60. Okay. Pin 6 should be 76. $77. Good. Let's see. 9 is ground. Pin 7 should be minus 76. Minus 79. Let me go back to pin 6. Pin 6 should be minus or positive 76. And I got 77. Pin 9 should be minus 76. Oh, what am I on? Pin 7, I mean, minus 76. 79, okay. Pin 8 should be 24. 23.1, okay. I should write these down. All right, so that actually looks pretty good.